Hi Martha, it's Bob here at Prime Motor Cars. How are you today? I wanted to give you a little video overlook of this beautiful 2017 GLC that we have, CPO. This is different than the other one in that this has the light interior and also the panoramic roof. So this looks just like the 19s. It looks like a new car. People aren't going to know you bought a 2017. All the safety features that a new car has, the Fortronic. You've got the front radar anti-collision system. Let's see, open it up here. Plenty of room for things. And of course the seats fold completely flat when you need them to for skis or backpacks, whatever you're carrying around at that moment. Take a look at the inside. Has keyless go, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Very, very nice MB-Tex interior. So let's take it for a quick ride around the parking lot, shall we? All right, Martha, we're back in the car now. It does have the backup camera. So let's come around the dealership. Of course, you can adjust this electrically. Seat back. It's a very nice car. You do have the Panorama Roof. I want to show you that. I agree with you that that's an awfully nice feature to have, even if you don't have the sunroof open. Just have the shade pulled back. It's just so quiet and composed. I would really like you to come down and take a look at this one. It's a CPO. So a very, very long warranty. Of course, the unlimited mileage warranty. And 1 year after the base warranty expires. So you have until 2022 with the warranty on this car. I can give you the exact date when you come in that would begin and end. So I'm going to drop my videographer off at the front and go back and park the car. I'm here till 8 tonight and 8 tomorrow night if you would like to come in. So that's it from Prime. 207-747-9714 is my cell phone. Thanks again. Bye-bye.